Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that is Praveen Nair. And today we are going to be cooking something really special for all keto lovers.
Alright, when it comes to amino acids, you look at the quality of the protein. And when it's about red meat, it's always a great source of protein. We're going to show you the recipe and it's all about enjoying the recipe. Let's go.
500 grams meat boneless, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 4 tablespoon Greek yogurt. Option, you can use normal yogurt as well. Half a pinch cinnamon powder, 1 whole chopped onion, garlic paste, Himalayan rock salt, paprika powder, that's Kashmiri mirch. Lastly, Amul Ghee. 1 tablespoon Amul Ghee. To that we add red chili, then 1 cup onion, Himalayan rock salt, and give it a nice toast. So we're going to stir it till they become nice and golden. First we add 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or normal yogurt. Next we add 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, then 1 pinch of cinnamon powder, red chili powder. Lastly, garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Now we are going to mix everything. Now our onions are golden and they are well done. Now we directly add the marinated meat to the onions. Lastly, we are going to add 1.5 cup of water. And now we are going to cook the meat for approximately 20 to 25 minutes on slow flame. We are going to cook until it's well done and the complete meat and the water gets absorbed. And our keto mutton is ready. So our keto curd mutton is ready.
Alright guys, to get such kind of amazing recipes which is based on macros, keto, at the same time bit and low carb that you can enjoy, look good and look great naked. So all you have to do is subscribe to that bell icon that you always get to know about our new videos, which is about 7 times a week. That's about every single day. We got a new video which is on information, recipes, and of course on Train to Look Good programs. Enjoy and please share the video with your friends and family and thumbs up. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.